What is up, everybody? Nate back with another video for teaching technology, and today I have a quick video for you of us redoing our work van. So for us, we have a passenger version of the van. Unfortunately, it's not the commercial version, so we had to come up with a solution of how we can have all of our product in the back without dealing with the seats. So what we did was we took a 1/2-inch sheet of OSB, cut it down to the correct size, and used 2 feet that we created for it to fill the void in the front. And this allowed us to go ahead and mount all of our pack out equipment to the actual platform in there so it doesn't fly around on us while we're driving. Most of our jobs, we typically stock the van per job, but we do have quite a few times where it's run into in the past where having product on the van would have been much more convenient and easy. So we don't have like a big Ram ProMaster or the big tall roof transits because it's just not the nature of our business. We do service calls, but the majority of our business is new install. It's not primarily service. So this van worked great for what we do. So you see, I threw a couple boxes of cable. We typically keep 1 full box of Cat 6. We keep a box of coax, RG6, and then we also keep 12-2 speaker wire in the van. When we do bigger jobs, obviously we bring all of the correct equipment with us. So we ended up doing 2 of the sliding drawer systems from Packout, one in the front, one in the back. The back one is for product that we use back and forth. The front one is just for tools. Here we are adding new ladder racks to this van. Previously, we mostly used the truck that we have to carry ladders back and forth, but it's been much more convenient to have everything in one. So we put some ladder racks on this van. We typically keep a 6-foot step ladder. We have a 16-foot extension ladder, and then we also have a 4-foot Little Werner ladder. So here, I'm gonna open up all of the individual packouts so you can kind of see what we keep in here. The bottom one we use for our standard, like our main tools that we use. We use a small 12-volt impact, a hammer drill, and an oscillating tool. That second one is kind of miscellaneous tools, and the top one is all wire management, so zip ties, Velcro, 3M double-sided tape, etc. We use that cavity down below for our larger 5-foot extension drill bits that are flexible, as well as all of our pull rods. The back pack out, we'll be adding a second drawer system above this one. The bottom one is all just kind of what I've considered in past videos as disposable inventory. So we have blank wall plates, we have single keystone plates, double keystone plates. Pretty rarely do we do a 4 keystone. We have our low voltage old work boxes that have the dogs. And then the top drawer here is all just cabling. So we keep HDMIs, RCA, optical, a couple different types of balins that we go back and forth between. And then we use individual pack out boxes. So this top one here is just our hardware box. So the only thing that lives in here is hardware and our masonry drill bits. So we have everything from tap cons to self tappers to wire clips, washers, spacers, all sorts of things that you kind of never know what is going to happen in the nature of the install. It's really helpful to have all that product here. We have an individual network box. So we keep keystones, we keep rack screws, just all sorts of individual little networking pieces that we use when we're trimming out racks. And I'd love to have the big van, but we're a new business, and as we grow, we work with what we've got. So quick video this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of content, and I'll see you next week for your new video.